My people, more than listening to this audio where I want put for now. So now one man send this message to Nancy, the sister to Korra. He finish. He finish there, not be small thing. More than listening, more than share this video. More than listening to wetin he talk. Not be small thing, eh?
I forgive her. It's normal. It's normal. The man will still hope because of he loves those kids. He loves those kids. This would have come back. This animal flew from Nigeria, enter US. The first thing she went, good afternoon, house. She wanted everybody to see her on Korra. Like everybody saw her. She now brought out her phone first. And first of all, share her page with Korra. That was when Korra's fans swap. That's when I knew that then there is foul play in this shit. Now they carry that voice where they will cry. They come out, with one face like monkey. They keep eye like person with the pain. No look. They keep eye up. As you see, Korra, this man is a pathetic liar. He's a blondist. He's a narcotist. He's a this. Is he your husband?
I don't know.
Perfect with you, yeah. So
I don't know.
With your husband. Is he your husband? Why are you to go and judge with him? If not Nigeria, like they go wipe you. They don't born you where, Nancy. If now African country do this kind of process, you don't go come up with your 2 leg complete.
No.
You came to somebody's married, even though he's married to your sister now good. Use and dump nyash where they don't scrap for China already before this time. You don't go enter house with that kind of crap. I think they friend better, carry better thing like this. Your sister now honorary scorpion. They make noise. Is that one girl? If they bring up just girls now that are pretty now, Korra can come out. Korra not go fit. You carry your mat, everybody follow Libya and a prostitute, everybody follow this now. But now the prostitute now way they beg me, they help you back your sister.
I did tell you.
The pressure never see
That
Korra
one
only
is
5
terrible.
now. Korra is a small girl. Korra don't menstruate, ovulation don't come. When she look, you know, she will fuck him. She go outside, very soon they'll block her, they'll put her in. This is blackmailing, eh? It's plenty for US. Now, Korra, you know, go fit get husband again now for boys. They are waiting for you. That year, show you one opponent. I think last time you said the person you met, the guy was asking you your one sex. My dear, you are not a husband, you are not a wife material, you are a fuck material. Hey. Keep yourself at that. You said it very clear that the man was asking for sex. Anybody that see you now go on enter, it's for them, not be person like Elvis. It's just for them. Just for them. Not the person who won't come here, go do that kind of thing. Scrap body you carry. Scrap body you carry. Carry yourself, they make clothes up, and now your sister come out. Your sister said that she was selling pot. Now pot go make her build house. In the sample kitchen. When you go hotel, you go sample person house, you come to show fake life. Fake life. If you have carried your sisters and generally put in the house, somebody would have known. You use your hand, open your nyash. When they cost bloggers, they follow from Libya, they follow from this. They are living a good life. Most of them have house. Now show us your own investment. Where are you working? Your husband where you keep for us, where resemble Aboki, where they social. Where is he working? Where is he working? Where is he working? You are only envious of Justin and the children. That is why you wanted to sample your own children. You don't family your children now. You don't keep your children where you resemble stone where they use key go loyal. See head. Children where they
brother
head full everywhere. See head. Carry stone where they use key go loyal. Now waiting your head in our head. See picking face because of your envy. That is what you stand to gain. Obey the king. Your father and the king now. Your father and king. King when they collect 5, give 6. King when don't know himself. King when don't know himself. He say open mouth the king. They come on social media. They defend his daughter. Where they open yash everywhere like this. He don't hide himself. Don't they have kinsmen in that village? Don't they have kinsmen in that village? I think maybe everybody is swimming in poverty in that village. That is why nobody see what your daughter, your sister, or your daughter is doing as a bad thing. Because when she open yash, get 1 million view. They send her change every month. She carry $100 sent to you. And God continue. Now say, why don't you open your own yash? I think one time we came to America, she was dancing buga with you. Yeah, your gown was your shirt was open somewhere at the back. You use your hand to draw it down.
Quick
They
now.
open her own foot down. God, they open her own foot down. Why you don't open now? Why you don't open now?
Chai.
Something not a problem. You are in the river, you are in the sea, or lake, or swimming pool. Anywhere you are wearing your pants. Nobody, concern. Everybody will understand. But Korra will go on the street, do flip, do backflip, do this. A woman we don't born. Why the people are mad though? We are mad. Which African man? Any African man that say then he can keep Korra as a wife is a bastard. There is no devil in this life. In hellfire, we are the devil. Our heart is the devil.
Of course now.
Our heart is the devil. You cannot see God anywhere. God will pass through somebody to tell you, talk sense into you.
That's it.
That is how it is. If Korra was a saint, if Korra was a dawn, if Korra was the Jesus, everybody has seen. Why she not enter the Nollywood now? And she came, I will just appear 2 seconds in Nollywood and say hello in Nollywood. It's over. Yeah, that is, you are a shameless family. Shameless family. If you should keep yourself out of social media for now, let the shame digest. Your shame the shame other persons.
Hey.
Your shame the shame other persons. Nancy, as they call you senior sister, you they happy. Senior sister will lack sense. We lack knowledge. They say our people perish because of lack of knowledge. You will not get knowledge. How do you want to achieve? And you keep your husband in the house. Why? Because your husband they follow the collect dollar from Korra. That one not get choice for now. That one at Centro, even the Europe na Centro, that one go be. You don't get a choice for now. So that is why anywhere belay face now when they call this kind of people. See the kind of children where you carry come. Children where go chop my man, she's going to come. Now this kind of children we need. And you can't condemn another person own. They want Justin to
Nancy,
leave his own.
My brother, wait 1 minute. Nancy, you see what I told you? You were insulting my children. My brother fired them.
Yes, children, we know. Look at you. Look at one time they took them to merry-go-round. I was see all that kids, children. When they see if I show you my daughter, when she comes, I wash her hair, make her hair. If you say you go trip, if you see my son, you go trip. Because everything you call, that's what they call children, what they call picking. Nancy, you have picking, not children.
Hey, Nancy, get picking, not be children.
You have picking, not children. When you see kids, you see kids, you see children. They call have kids. Call have children. You have picking, Nancy gets. So don't come down and say, hey, my children, call them, you have picking. Yes, we are sure of that. Because now Paco, you carry there. You want to spoil your own sister own. And you think you have your own, you will have it well with you. You are wasting your time, my dear. And I will carry the cross together. Make your father wake keep Belela pump and plane. Your own time go reach through and the eye go shine. Man, we know all your own family where you own lose God. You want to kill another person's own joy because of you are a lunatic man. You come out and your in-law do this. Okay, when you want to say since you marry your so-called wife that died before, since you married her, you never had problems. Were you the saint there? Were you Jesus? Or was she Virgin Mary? People must have problems. It's normal. You get some problem where on I go get there, you go to say case not go end. But at the end, you will see yourself laughing the next day. That's what you be. That's true. Me and Whitey, if you see one who quarter here, you go to say, oh, boy, you don't finish. Life don't finish. But not lie. We see embrace our the night now, we don't climb bed now, we knock ourselves like this. Everybody don't soft. So, but you know, we don't say 2 people quarrel there.
Nah, so.
We pay our bill to get okay. Honey, I'm taking charge of the house rent today. I'm taking charge of the house rent this night. Nobody get PM. Your husband will ask it the last time your stupid sister come he stole 5,000. What is 5,000 compared to what he have done for you? Is it not of recent you start making money on internet? Was he not there for you?
He was.
What is 5,000?
He was.
He came out, he stole your 5,000. He returned back the money. If not some African men, they don't will give you that money back. Make heaven fall. They don't forgive you. The man return that money back. Sometimes my woman goes to my wallet and take my money. Sometimes she goes to take my ATM card. She can withdraw what she wants to withdraw. It just that is why that's why they call it marriage. That is what they call it marriage. Your husband you give your sister the information. Your sister carry a talky voice come outside. He went to see 5,000 naira. The whole fan on insult the innocent man. This is man that was helping your family. I was helping that useless your husband.
The Ike Chukwu of Obidi house.
The one where resemble gold bottle. We keep belly like bomb and plane. Now it not happen like everybody came out to start attacking Justin. Anybody will attack Justin like this, the God, that is you will never know peace, you will never know good in life. Because this man is too innocent, he's too calm for you people.